We camped at Joshua Tree in rainy weather, cooked camp spaghetti, and took pictures of the Milky Way. Hope you enjoy. It's going to be Jessica's first time camping in a tent. Hopefully it does not rain. That would suck. No! Bro, I'm pissed. That literally means no campfire.
How are you gonna keep me warm?
We're inside the park. Now we have to make it to our campsite. We still got a little bit to drive. Show them Joshua Tree.
Where are we headed, babe?
Ooh. Oh yeah, it's awesome. No fire ban. So no fire unfortunately, but I like our spot.
We have a Joshua Tree.
Yeah, we do have a Joshua Tree. I do like the campsite. The car's not right next to it, but this is nice. But if it rains again, we're gonna have a river.
Wait, technically, is it a creek because it's smaller?
Bro.
I think it's raining.
Oh yeah, I kind of do see a couple drops. We'll be all right. I do. It's like the aftermath. We are starting to hear some thunder, so that's a little concerning. The floor's wet, so that means it rained. We still hear thunder. I think there's a good chance it's gonna rain on us tonight.
Yeah.
Welp. Got our tent and our tarp. All right, so right now we have to get the tent up and ready to go because I think the thunderstorms are getting closer and I want to set up the tent before the rain comes. Let's go. Our tarp is a little small for this tent, it looks like, but I think we'll be all right. Maybe I underestimated the tarp or overestimated. One's done here. So you just got to connect all these, make sure they're nice. Okay. Maybe I should look at the directions. Okay.
Progress.
Okay, this is what the tent looks like so far. SpongeBob tent. Okay. Not too bad. I feel like we did something wrong. I just can't pinpoint what. Where would the thing be? The front?
I think this goes to the back.
There you go, mama. Okay, it's coming together. So we got the rain fly on, tent, we got the tarp underneath, kinda. All right, I think the tent is pitched. So what do you think?
It looks really good. I'm excited.
It's starting to rain. So I think that was the rain cloud that hit us right now. I mean, it's still not looking that great. This is what happens when you buy a mattress off Temu.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, it's actually not that bad. Oh man, I gotta clean this. Look at that cloud that is forming above the tent. I gave a big thunderous thunder earlier. Now that cloud looks crazy. Thunder. Maybe I should get started cooking. I need the noodles. Seasonings I'll take. Okay, time to cook. Let's see if we can make spaghetti before it starts raining now. Do I add salt to the water? Put it up?
Big one, but okay.
Got some olive oil in this little mayonnaise jar. Kind of ground beef.
Is that good?
Yeah. That's a good question, huh? A little olive oil in the water, so the noodles don't get stuck together.
Gotta season the water.
What is that, salt?
Some salt.
I don't think I've ever made spaghetti while camping, so this will be a first for me. Obviously I've had spaghetti, but like nice warm spaghetti while there's thunder and there's rain and then you get flooded. Like, this sounds awesome.
It's actually perfect weather for this meal.
Literally spaghetti weather. Yeah, we're just surrounded by all these crazy clouds. And that was the worst one. This one's coming this way. We better hurry up with this spaghetti. Alright, the aromatics are in. Garlic and onion. What is this, Lori's?
Onion and garlic. And last but not least, Italian seasoning.
We got that classic meat. I love meat.
Yes.
That's top 5. It looks good, it smells good. Order up.
I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay.
Okay, there. I used to have everything in here.
Alright, got the sketty. Cheers. Yo, this is bomb. So it looks like we successfully cooked the spaghetti before the rain. What is that? I thought they were singing happy birthday.
Me too.
What in the cult? What was I even saying? But yes. So yeah, cooking spaghetti, success. And we have a camera.
Oh yeah.
Why are we using the best camera is the one in your hand? It is. We want to take astrophotography tonight, so I'd say there's a 50-50 chance of that. So I guess this is an auditorium. This is a sick backdrop. Okay. Let's see. Yo, what the?
Welcome to my crib. So this is the tent.
Yo, what? This is dope.
Got the little lights.
You got snacks and an iPad.
We're gonna watch a movie.
Bro, this is lit. Oh, let's see, is it comfy? This is comfy.
It is.
This is comfy.
It's so cozy.
Is this better than the van?
Yeah.
Oh, that's messed up.
Ask me again.
Is this better than the van?
Yes.
You didn't want to sleep here.
Yes,
You're sleeping in the van, I'm sleeping in here.
Oh no.
Yo, coyotes. You hear them over there.
I don't want to sleep in here.
That changes everything?
Yeah.
It is actually really cozy. The mattress is insane. Earlier I called it a Temu mattress. I mean, we'll see how we wake up. I will admit the campsite is a little loud. We are surrounded by people. We're in the middle of just everyone, it sounds like. Guitar playing there. Conversation over there, and a bunch of kids, and there's a party going on over there. This is a crowded campsite, but I mean, it's a beautiful one. There's a bunch of rocks everywhere, so you just get to run around and play in the rocks. It's not raining, so right now we're gonna watch a movie. Wait till it gets darker. Hopefully the nighttime clears up more, so we could take some photos. Alright, so it looks like we have clear sky. The Milky Way's that way. Let's see if we can get a shot. I say turn it off. Turn everything off, okay?
Well, how do you turn this on off?
Turn it off. Alright, so switch spots, switch lenses. I think switch to a wider lens with a 1.4. This is so bright. I'm trying to get these shots. It's hard. The Milky Way's like right above us, and I'm trying to get a Joshua tree in the foreground, but it's tough. It's tough. My tripod, you know, it's a little iffy, but we're trying out here. We're getting there, but I don't have the shot I want yet. Alright, so I think we got a couple shots that we like, but we hear coyotes now. They're close. So I think it's time to go back to the tent. Damn, my face puffy, bro. The sun's coming out. Want this one? The sun's coming out. Literally see coyotes on the road. They went that way. They're over there. Two coyotes. Can't see on the GoPro really. Beautiful morning, clear skies. I am a little hungry, so might have to make something. That William Dafoe shot? Bro has no videos where he needs to be doing all this.